Rajakor Aguliwo 55 Engineer de Palaijaka Engineer de no Rukshawi Rabindra Babani Shimi Kwrwngwi Kichasa Lama Himata Khwlaijaka Aro Manjak Phakya Montri Sushanta Chuwdory Paithago Rabindra Babano Kaisa Panda Chengwe Aro Kognarkha Montri Sushanta Chuwdory
Go.
Government of Tripura to deliver his speech.
A very warm welcome and good morning to all.
Department, in association with various other engineering organizations, are celebrating this 55th Engineers Day across the state as well as across the country. And I'm also very happy, being the Minister of Information and Cultural Affairs also, to declare that just 2 days back I have given a note for declaring this Engineers Day as a state program, like Doctors Day, Teachers Day. Henceforth, 15th September will be celebrated as Engineers Day under state government every year. The Doctors Day has been celebrated on the birthday of prominent doctor, eminent doctor, late Chandra. Teachers Day has been celebrated on the birthday of former President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan. Likewise, in our state also, this Engineers Day will be celebrated henceforth on the birthday of late engineer M. Vishweshwarya. We have with us on the dais Dr. Subodhi Bhattacharya,